This video got 8.2 million views in 4 days, and the creator made over $4,000 from one upload. The crazy part? They didn't spend a weekend editing, hire animators, or even show their faces. So how did they do it? They found videos already going viral and used AI to recreate the formula with their own content. Today, I'll show you how to do the same using a tool called Pippit AI and Seedance 2.0, one of the most powerful AI video models available right now. So, let's dive in. Head over to Pippit AI, link in the description, and there's a free plan so you can follow along. Once you're in, go to the Video Generator section on the left sidebar. You'll see a clean interface with options to upload media or write a text prompt. We're going to use it all. For the reference video, don't just pick something that looks cool. Choose a recent video that's already performing well in your niche. High views and shares. It could be a trending anime transition, a viral storytelling clip, or a high-engagement meme format. Once you find one, save it. Click Upload Reference Video and drop in the clip you just saved. Give it a few seconds to process. Now, this is where most people mess up. Your prompt matters. Here's what I'm typing. Use the uploaded video as a reference. Create an anime-style video with the same dramatic pacing, lighting shifts, and transition effects as the reference. Keep the energy intense and the cuts sharp. See how specific that is? I'm not just saying make an anime video. I'm describing the exact feeling I want. Now for the model selection. We're going with Seedance 2.0. This is Pippit's most capable video model for style matching and cinematic output. Select it. Then choose your aspect ratio and resolution. Hit Generate. Once it's done, preview your video. Same energy, but the style is different. You can regenerate, or if you want to adjust anything, click Edit More. Pippit has a full built-in editor. You can tweak lighting, add caption, swap audio tracks, or even change the background entirely with one click. My advice: don't over-edit. Seedance 2.0 already did the heavy lifting. You're just polishing. You're not copying or stealing footage. You're using a proven structure and making it your own. Most people overlook this. This same workflow works for product content too. Say you have a face oil product you want to promote. Upload your reference video, write your prompt, and this time, also upload your product image.
Unlock the secret to nature's luxury. Pure hydration, bottled. Your skin's new ritual.
See? Seedance 2.0 weaves your product into the same style, pacing, and energy as the reference. So now you're not just creating faceless content, you're creating shoppable content that actually converts. The reference to video feature inside Pippit is genuinely one of the most versatile things in the platform. Last step, export and post. You can download the video directly to your device. But what I actually recommend is using Pippit's built-in publishing feature. You can post directly to TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram Reels, all from inside the platform. You can even schedule your posts in advance, so your channel stays consistent without you needing to be online around the clock. Set it and forget it. Go to Pippit AI, link is in the description. Sign up for the free plan, find one trending video in your niche, and try the reference to video feature with Seedance 2.0 yourself. And when you do, drop a comment below. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more tutorials. There are so many more features inside Pippit AI. AI avatars, link to video, the Vibe marketing agent, so I'll be covering those in upcoming videos too. I'll see you in the next one.